What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. You are now on day 63 of this beginning 5K program. You're doing fantastic. Let's get moving. All right, day 63 is a rest day, which is pretty good. But you can always work out your upper body. You can always do a stretch routine. Just make sure you rest up those legs for the start of your last and final week. Week 10 will be tomorrow, start tomorrow. So make sure you rest up your legs for that. And in that week, you will actually complete your 5K after all these weeks. So congratulations to all you. You are doing fantastic. And with all that said, Coach Robin has a little tip here, so here she is.
Welcome, friends, to Sunday, Rest and Recovery Day. I'm just going to maybe take a little stroll or something very easy on the beach. I don't think I'm going to sit down there. I'm sure I could find a socially distant spot to sit, but I think I'm just going to take just a tiny little stroll. I'm not going to do too much for my legs. I want to give them some time to rest and recover for tomorrow. I might go home and do a little bit of yoga or something, or some stretching. But anyway, we had a great week of running. We have one more week to go of running. So I'm really excited. I'm so proud of you. And I'm so proud to see how far you've come. And I'm here and happy to answer any health-related questions you might have, whether it's nutrition or exercise, whatever it is. I'm happy to help. I am a health coach. It's my passion, like I said. It's what I love to do. So please reach out to me and let's have a little conversation. You can, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can find my Facebook page in the comments. And if you're watching this on Facebook, you obviously know where to find me. Anyway, have a great Sunday, and I will see you back here tomorrow, Monday, when we will be running 3 miles. So have a great one. See you then.
All right, fantastic. 9 weeks done. You are at the start of the final week of this 10-week 5K program. So you all are just doing fantastic. We're really proud of you. And remember, if you like the program and you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to the channel. And that way, you'll be notified every time we put up a healthy living video and you want to listen to those. They're all a lot of great tips that can help you stay healthy as you age in life. Also, if you know anybody who can use a beginning 5K program, make sure you share that. Also share the channel with them if they just need to be healthy. So, and who doesn't? Who doesn't need to be healthy out there? We all want to be healthy because your health is your most important asset that you have. It doesn't matter how rich you are. If you don't have health, you don't have anything. So just make sure that you share this with as many people as you can so that we can all help the whole world get healthy. And with all that said, I just want to say thank you so much. Also, if you are new to the beginning 5K program and you just happen to hit this one, make sure you go back, hit the video is going to pop up, the playlist, and click on that, and you'll be able to start on day 1, and that way you can join in on all the fun, and you can do it the right way because you won't be jumping in the middle of it. You'll be jumping in the beginning, and it's very gradual in the beginning, and it's that way for a reason so that you don't hurt yourself as you train yourself to run a 5K. So with all that said, have a good one, everybody. See you next week or tomorrow.